Welcome to our step-by-step guide to puppy training essentials. In this video, we will cover all the basics of what you need to know to train your new furry friend. Whether you're a new dog owner or looking to brush up on some training techniques, you're in the right place. Before you start any training, it's important to spend some time getting to know your puppy's personality and behaviors. This will allow you to tailor your training methods to best suit your puppy. Spend some time playing with your puppy and observing their behaviors, such as when they're hungry or tired. One of the most important things to train your puppy to do is to go potty outside. Start by taking your puppy out first thing in the morning, after meals, and before bed. Use a consistent command, such as go potty, and reward your puppy when they do their business outside. Be patient, as accidents will happen and it may take some time for your puppy to fully understand the concept. Teaching your puppy basic commands such as sit, stay, and come will help establish a foundation for more advanced training. Use positive reinforcement such as treats and praise when your puppy follows a command correctly. Keep training sessions short and frequent, and end on a positive note. For safety and control, it's important to train your puppy to walk on a leash. Start by letting your puppy get used to wearing a collar and leash around the house. Then, practice walking in a low-distraction environment such as your backyard. Increase distractions gradually, and reward good behavior with treats and praise. Congratulations! You've now learned the essentials of puppy training. Remember to be patient and use positive reinforcement, and your puppy will be a well-trained companion in no time.